how are you? I hope you are happy at home and you have done homeworks regularly. Any doubts are there? Ask your subject teachers. Okay. And next, in last class we learnt about the topics are reflection, reflection of light, and next incident ray, and next reflected ray, angle of incident and angle of reflection, and some laws of reflection. So we learnt about these topics. Along we have done some experiments also. So now we are continuing the laws of the reflection, incident ray, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and laws of the reflection. So this experiment. Here let AC be a straight line and draw a perpendicular line to the AC and making an angle, right angles on left side and right side. And this perpendicular line noted as a AB. This is called the normal line. OB is called the normal line. And next, on right side, again on right side, we must take another two straight lines and making an angle 30 degrees and 60 degrees on right side of the straight line. As usual, on left side also, you must take two straight lines making an angle 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Now note these straight lines as 1, 2, 3, 4 and note it as these straight lines 1, 2, 3, 4. Place a mirror, big size of mirror on above of the line AC and its reflection surface must be opposite to the normal line. Okay. And next, take another mirror strip with a slip and let its light focus on the mirror. Then it gives the incident ray on the mirror and then it reflected as a on line 1. That means the angle of incident must be equal to angle of reflection. On line, the angle of incident how much? 60 degrees. On line, angle of incident must be 60 degrees. Reflected ray where will become? On line 1. Angle of reflection how much? 60 degrees only. How much? 60 degrees. Next, that mirror strip again keep on line 3. Then focus the light. Then the ray of light falls on the mirror. That means that is the incident ray falls on the mirror and after some time it reflected again and come back to the falls on line 2. That means that is a reflected ray fall on the line 2 and making an angle 30 degrees on left side and right side. So on line 3 making an angle is 30 degrees and where will become reflected ray? On line 2 and making an angle how much? 30 degrees. So on line, now this mirror strip keep on the line O. On the line O, then focus the light and the incident ray falls on mirror and again it come back and gives the reflected ray on the line 0 only. On normal line how much? 0 degrees. On line also 0. OB, on line OB, that is normal. On line OB making an angle how much? 0 degrees. So in every case, the line angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. On line 4, on line 1, both angles are equal. In the same process, on line 3, on line 2, making an angles are equal. And on normal also, the angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. So from this experiment, what you understand? Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incident is denoted with I, angle of reflection denoted with R. Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. So from this experiment, what we understood? Angle of incident equal to angle of. Page number is 84, and you also fill the table like this. Look at this and fill the table careful, and final result is angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. So fill in your textbook. How the images forms inside of the mirror we have to discuss. Take a mirror. Take a plain mirror. Place a candle in front of the mirror and light it. You have to observe, after some time we will see same image formed inside of the mirror. How is it possible? Actually, the light focused on the mirror. That means the light falls on the mirror and reflected inside of the mirror. The light is reflected inside of the mirror. That means in previous experiment what? Let it be perpendicular line. Take perpendicular line as a normal, and the light falls on the mirror. That is called the incident ray, and making an angle of incident. This is called the angle of incident. After this light reflected and falls on the candle. So that is called the reflected ray, and making an angle, that is called angle of reflection. Due to this light reflection only, the image formed inside of the mirror. But we does not see the light is reflected inside of the mirror. Actually, we sees and feels that the light is coming from the candle behind the mirror. So, but actually what happened inside? Due to light reflection only, we will form the image. Due to light reflection only, due to this reflection of light only, the image formed inside of the mirror. So that means in previous we learnt about angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. Due to this law of reflection only, this image is formed inside of the mirror. So from this experiment, what do you understand? Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. Due to this law of reflection only, the image formed. Discuss about the topic is make your own periscope. Whenever a person, suppose a person is walking on a road, when you are hiding near the window, in front of the window, but that person did not see you, find out. By using of this periscope, we will find out very easily. That means you must hide before in front of the window like this. How will you find out what the person is doing outside on the road? So by doing of periscope, we will find out. How will you find out how this periscope is prepared? Own periscope. So what is the aim in this experiment? Make your own periscope. What are the operators you must use? empty agarbatti box, 2 mirror strips, and use a scale, pencil, blade, matchbox, candle, glue or Fevicol or Fevikwik. So now I am doing the procedure like this. Now I want to prepare. See, take a agarbatti box and draw the squares on at the ends of the agarbatti box and draw the diagonals of the squares like this. By using of the blade, you have to cut the diagonals of the square like this, and keep mirror strips at the ends of the agarbatti box. You must fix a mirror strip to the box with a few drops of molten wax from the burning candle. Otherwise, use instead of wax, Fevicol or glue, use it. Okay, next. And after, cut out the 2 windows and narrow sides of the agarbatti like this. Let it be window 1 and window 2. Now, these mirror strips keep parallel in position. You must maintain it. Okay. The windows should be opened directly on reflection surface of the mirror strip. Now periscope is ready. Okay. Periscope is ready. Through this window 2, we have to inside of the periscope. By using through this window 2, you must sit near before the window and you have to hide in front of the window. What happens outside of window, we must observe by using this periscope. If we hide behind a tree, you can easily see what happened other side of the tree by using this periscope. Look at this picture. What she is doing, this girl is doing. This girl is hiding in front of the window, and by using a periscope, he is observing what happened outside of the tree. So by using of this periscope, we will observe outside what happened outside of the tree. Okay, understood, children? Once again, I am repeating how prepare a periscope. Take a agarbatti and draw by using a pencil. Draw 2 squares at the end of the agarbatti. Draw the diagonals inside the squares. By using of the blade, cut the diagonals and put the 2 equal size and equal length of the mirror strip like this. By using of the Fevicol or glue, fix it. Otherwise, few drops of the molten wax also, you have to fix it carefully. So after fixing, we must observe, don't shake the mirrors, and these mirrors also must be arranged in parallel position. These mirrors must be arranged in parallel position. Next, after fixing of the mirror strips, the narrow sides of the box, you must cut the windows and let it be on left side of the window, window 1, and on right side of the window, window 2. Now this arrangement of the instrument we prepared as a periscope. Now the periscope is ready. By using of periscope, if we hide behind a tree, if you hide behind a tree, you can easily see what happened other side of the tree by using of this periscope. So look at this. what is doing this girl? This girl is sitting in front of the window. By using of this periscope, she is observing what is happen outside of the window, and observe this tree where you hide. So like this, by using of the periscope, we will find out where you are near the tree, like this. Why the mirror strips are parallel arranged in a periscope? Why? We will discuss by doing of experiment 6. Now, the person A stand opposite to the person C. And the person B stand opposite to the D. And place a plane mirror on the floor at the center of 4 persons. Now observe the image of D must be see inside of the mirror. Who will see? The person B will see the image of the person D inside of the mirror. How is it possible? How is happening inside of the mirror? So imagine a normal line to the mirror. When the person sees on the mirror, the light falls on the mirror. That means the incident ray falls on the mirror, and this incident ray falls on the mirror. Then this mirror reflected. That means the reflected ray falls on the person D. That's why the image of person D we will see inside of the mirror. The person B sees the image of person D inside of the mirror. If the person move aside, either on left side or right side, that means the person D moves a feet on left side or either on left side or right side. Can you see the image of person D inside of the mirror? No, that is not possible. Why? Because the incident ray does not equal to the reflected ray in this case. From this experiment, what you understand? The incident ray and the normal and the reflected ray lie on the same plane surface. That means the normal incident ray and reflected ray, these 3 rays are lie on the same plane. That's why the person D sees the image of the person D. In the same manner, the person A will see the image of person C inside of mirror. Because of the normal and incident ray and reflected ray lie on the same plane. Due to this only, the mirror strips are arranged parallel arrangement in a periscope. If they are not arranged, then what will? So look at this picture. The persons A stand A opposite to the person C, and the person B stand opposite to the person D. Look at this picture. So a plane mirror is arranged at the center of the persons. Now the incident ray falls on the mirror and gives reflection from the mirror and goes to the person D. Then only we will see image of C inside of the mirror. That means let this line as a normal. Then from this experiment, what you understand? The incident ray coming from the person A and the reflected ray goes towards the person C. That's why we are able to see the image of person C inside of the mirror. That means the normal, incident ray and reflected ray or lie on the same mirror. Then the person look at on the mirror, then it gives the incident ray. And the incident ray must be reflected from the mirror and gives image of A inside of the mirror. In the same process, the person C saw the image of the person A inside of the mirror. Understood, children? From this experiment, what you understand? From this experiment, what you understand? The mirrors must be arranged in parallel of a periscope, because in a periscope, the incidence ray for the second mirror is the reflected ray of the first mirror. When these two mirrors are parallel to each other, only then the reflected ray of the second mirror is the incident ray of first mirror. Then only we will able to see outside of the object very clearly. Otherwise, the mirrors are not in parallel in position. Then we unable to see the object outside of the object, because if these mirrors make some angle with each other, then reflected ray of the first mirror not reach the second mirror, or the reflected ray of second mirror may not pass through the window of periscope. In both cases, we cannot see the object with the periscope. Understood, children? I hope you understood the lesson clearly. So, based on that, I am giving the assignment. So, first question is, write about the activity, that is make your own periscope. Make your own periscope. So, in activity, you must write the aim, operators and procedure. Aim, operator and procedure. Okay. Next, second question. Write the mirror image of your name. So, write your name on paper and put in front of the mirror. How it turns as image, you must write here in both English language and Telugu language. Thank you. I will see you in next class.